YouTube for your network marketing business, can it really build your business? Can you get recruits? Can you get team builders? Can you get sales from it? Let's dive into it, because you're probably frustrated with the same old social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, and you're wondering, okay, do I move over to another platform so that I can have success again? Let's talk about what YouTube has done for my business, what it is, what it won't do for your business, so that you can see if it's a right fit for you. Now, I have been building my business over on YouTube for the last 6 years. And I can tell you that it has been an absolute game changer when it comes to building my business. I've sold up to $17,000. I think it was like 17,300 some dollars in 1 month because of my YouTube videos. I recruit several business builders a month, between like 4 and 6 business builders a month, because of my YouTube channel and network marketing. And you're probably like, oh my God, that's amazing. And yes, it is amazing. Here is what YouTube isn't, though. It is not a viral platform. It is a platform that you put out content like this once a week. And it might take several weeks for you to see any traction at all with regards to your YouTube videos. It's not a viral platform. So you could do a post over on TikTok, you could do a reel over on Instagram or Facebook, and what you're going to find is that maybe you get thousands of views and you've got a viral business. If you are somebody that is in network marketing for the long term, you're not looking for viral, you're looking for stability, because you know that there's the compound effect that goes into you building your business. YouTube is the right social media platform for you, because it gives you views on autopilot for months and years to come, right? But it doesn't just turn on the second you post your first video. So I want to make sure that you've got this full disclosure. And in the description of this video, what I have for you is I have for you my free masterclass on how I've been able to use YouTube to grow my business and become a top leader in the network marketing space. So click below, you'll be able to see my masterclass where I dive into all the ins and outs of YouTube, how to use it effectively for your network marketing business, right? But if you are posting one substantial video a week, like what you see over here, and you are consistently building it, you are going to find that YouTube is going to give you the long-term effect that you want on your business. You are going to see that maybe, you get one order, and then you get 2 orders, and then you get 3 orders, and then you start to get the reoccurring orders from those YouTube videos that you had from the month prior or the 2 months prior. And what you find is that you're building up this mountain, and all of a sudden, because you've put in the effort to put in one quality video a week, and yes, I did say one video a week that is well optimized, that has your thumbnails, that has all of the stuff that I teach inside of my masterclass, you are going to find that there is a compound effect in your business, right? You are going to find quality leads, because here's the truth. When people are searching on YouTube, they are very specifically searching for your company's name, your company's product, or how to join your company, right? They're not just scrolling on social media. So we call YouTube intent marketing, where people already have their wallets, they're ready to buy, they're in the research phase. When you're on social media, what you're trying to do is you're trying to stop the scroll. You're trying to get people to stop and look at what you have to offer, and hopefully you can catch their eye, right? So it's a very different buyer. There's not a whole lot of convincing that needs to happen over on YouTube, because they're already ready to buy, if that makes sense, or they're already ready to join. They're already in that research phase. So there's not as much sales, so to speak, besides just, helping answer any questions that they may have. And again, I go into detail into how to use YouTube to grow your business in my masterclass. So definitely make sure you click that link in the description. It will give you more info, more insights on how to build a successful YouTube channel for your network marketing business. But I'm telling you, when I started to dive all in on YouTube and I started to show up consistently, it was by far the best decision that I did for my network marketing business. I don't want to tell you that I didn't have success before, because yes, I was having success in network marketing but I was burnt out. I was struggling to continue to put out content over and over and over again, only for it to be shown to absolutely nobody, right? Or very few people, or the same people over and over and over again. And so when I found what YouTube could do for my business, it was truly a dream come true for a network marketer, right? I had actually tried the ads, I had tried the funnels, I had tried it all, and I wasn't able to get it to convert to the same level that YouTube has done for me. And the best part is this is 100% all organic. I don't put any ad spend behind my YouTube videos or anything like that. I am literally just posting one quality video that I know is well optimized, that I know what people are searching for in my videos. And then I talk to them on the back end. And in this, what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to link for you over here how I've recruited hundreds of people into my network marketing business because of the strategies, because of the verbiage that I use that has helped me close more people. So definitely make sure you watch that video next. It's going to be, I think, really insightful for you on how to close in a very effective way, especially if you're building through YouTube. So again, in the description of this video, I've got my YouTube masterclass. Go check it out. If you're tired of posting and praying on social media and finding that you're not getting the leads that you want, you're finding that your videos are falling flat, and you're finding that you're not getting, people joining your team to the extent that you want them to. But I always want to put that disclaimer out. YouTube is a long-term insurance plan. It is not typically a viral platform, right? And so that's really important to know. It's only for people that are really serious about building a network marketing business, or they've built this business and they've gotten a little bit stuck and they want to continue rank advancing. That's who YouTube is for. So I always want to preface this for you. It is definitely not for everybody in the network marketing space because it does take strategy, it takes time, it takes patience, and it takes consistency. And if you don't have that and you don't have the desire to be successful in your network marketing space and you're just kind of like dabbling your toe in it, it's not going to be the right platform for you. But if it is, in the description of this video, I have got for you my free masterclass so that you can check out all the ins and outs when it comes to YouTube. And if you've got any questions at all, definitely make sure you message me over on my socials. I'm going to link it right here for you. And definitely make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out on another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.